Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you change voice on Discord. If you wish to change voice on Discord, then you could go ahead and follow these steps. Now, first of all, what you have to do is you want to join the voice channel. Next, you want to exit out of this page. Now, there is no such thing or directly change the voice from the Discord itself. So we will be using an application. So go to your respective app store. On the search box, you simply want to type in Discord voice changer. You could find a list of applications available. You could go ahead and use any of these. I'm going to go with voice changes right over here. I've already installed it. Click the open button. Now then, you just simply need to go ahead and set it up. So what you need to do is here you want to enable the permissions, all that. And once you've actually done it, so you could go ahead and select the personalities as well if you want, or you could just go ahead and type in the text that you want to change. Just type in the text that you want to see and select the one or select the particular sound and click on play for an example. And this is how it's done. You could go ahead and explore other features as well, and once you've done it, so make sure not to close this completely and open up your Discord, join the voice channel, and you have successfully changed voice on Discord mobile. This is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.